What if you could add a blind spot monitoring system for your Tesla Model 3 or Y? Let me show you how with this quick upgrade. Alright, if there's a car oncoming, it turns solid orange, warning me that there is a car on my blind spot on the passenger side. And then if I go ahead and make a turn signal, it also turns and blinks green. That's me turning my signal to the right. Alright, I'm kind of slowing down a little to let the car to my left side pass, so you're gonna see this turn on. That means that there's a car on my blind spot on my left side. As soon as it passes, it turns off. Wow, I'm really loving this gadget. That's nice. That's the car that just passed me here. Alright, let's go ahead and test the right side, the passenger side now. I have another car behind me. He's gonna be passing me by on my right side. Alright, let's see. Alright, it actually works 100% of the time. And I'm loving the warning signal. It's just a light that gives you a heads up that there is a car oncoming right on your blind spot on the passenger or driver side. And I also like the fact that when I turn my signal, let me switch to the right lane over here, it gives me that indicator as well. I didn't know it had that feature. Alright, let's go ahead and just go for a drive around the neighborhood here just to kind of test it out. And I'm loving this. Alright, there's gonna be another car on my left side here. Let's see, it worked. It works very much 100% of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and